Reverie or
Rêverie.
I'm Justine and I'm one of the people behind everything that you see here. And if this is your first time visiting us, let me show you around. Because Reverie is a little different from your usual clothing store. Reverie actually started from a very simple problem. My mom and I love clothes, but we kept looking for a shop where we could find pieces that actually felt different, looked expensive, were comfortable, and still reasonably priced. And honestly, nahihirapan din po kaming maghanap. So eventually, we thought, why don't we create this kind of store that we would personally shop in? And yes, we actually shop here ourselves. My mom might be one of Reverie's best customer at this point. And one of the questions we always get is, galing po ba talaga tong Thailand? Yes, we actually go to Thailand and source these pieces ourselves. Actually, kakagaling lang po namin doon last June. As I'm making this video, it's July. As soon as nakabalik po kami galing Thailand, we already started this business. We got back June 10, I think, and then we opened this boutique on June 29, 2026. We don't just order a random catalog and sell everything in it. We go through the pieces, touch the fabrics, look at the construction, compare designs, and choose what we actually want to bring home to Reverie. And we don't bring hundreds of the exact same thing. A lot of our collections come in very limited quantities. Sometimes only one piece per size, color, or design. You'll also hear us use the word premium a lot. And we don't use that word just because something looks pretty. Of course, we look at the fabric po, the feel, the construction, the fit, and how the piece actually wears. Sometimes, you will find 100% cotton pieces here po. Premium cotton linen set. Beautifully structured fabrics that we specifically chose because they feel as good as they look like. And no, I don't think po na our clothes are expensive. The prices make sense for the quality, sourcing, design, and experience you're getting. Because affordable doesn't have to mean cheap. And premium doesn't have to mean unreachable. Some pieces are fun, some pieces are classic, some are feminine, some are relaxed. Some are pieces my mom would choose, and some pieces I might steal from the collection. Because we are dressing different women, different ages, different bodies, different occasions, and different versions of you. I personally love this and I have one of this in my wardrobe. You don't have to love every piece in Reverie, but I bet that's gonna be hard. You just have to find the one that feels like you. And then there's this little corner that always get questions. Yes, these are directly from Japan. My family has been connected to Japan for years, and my mom also runs Shop on the Spot by Rose, her Japan-based jewelry business. So when we say these products came from Japan, we mean they actually came from Japan, and the Japanese products we carry here are authentic. Thailand is only the beginning thing also po. We're already looking at bringing some pieces from Japan. We have some collections here now, Korea, Vietnam, and wherever else we discover something worth bringing back. The country isn't what makes Reverie Reverie. We choose it because we believe it belongs here. So that's Reverie po. It's a small boutique built from pieces my mom and I genuinely love, personally choose, and would actually wear ourselves. Take your time, look around, and touch the fabrics. Try something on. We have a very big and comfortable fitting room. Ask questions po. And hopefully, somewhere in these racks, you'll find something that feels a little more like you. Welcome to Reverie, for every version of you.